Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chemistry of lipids. At the end of chemistry of lipids, students able to discuss biochemical functions, definition, classification of lipids, fatty acids, its chemistry, classification and biochemical functions, essential fatty acids, its functions, classification of triglycerides, its structures and functions, phospholipids, glycolipids, sphingolipids, their structures and biochemical significance, steroids and sterols, for example, cholesterol, its chemistry, function, and clinical significance, plasma lipoproteins, their importance in health and diseases, eicosanoids, its classification and functions, lipoprotein, lipids per oxidation, and its significance. Lipids. Lipids constitutes a very important heterogeneous group of organic substances found in plants and animal tissues and related either actually or potentially to fatty acids. Chemically, they are various types of esters of different alcohols. In addition to fatty acids and alcohols, some of the lipids may contain phosphoric acid, nitrogenous bases, carbohydrates, and proteins. They are highly insoluble in water, solubility in one or more organic solvents such as ether, chloroform, benzene, acetone, etc. Now, the biochemical importance of lipids. Number one, as an important dietary constraint. As an important dietary constraint, act as a fuel in the body because of the fat-soluble vitamins and essential fatty acids found in natural foodstuff. In some respect, lipids is even superior to carbohydrates as a raw material for combustion since it yields 9 kilocalories per gram as compared to the carbohydrates that yield 4 kilocalories per gram. Number 2, as a storage material. Lipids can be stored in the body, in tissues, especially in adipocytes, in almost unlimited amounts, especially in well-fed state. Fats they brought out from storage in starvation and fasting. Number 3, exert an insulating effect and protection. Some deposits of lipids may exert an insulating effect in the body, while lipids around internal organs like kidney, etc., may provide padding and protect the organs. Nerve fibers in nerve fibers, sphingomyelin, myelin sheet of nerves, they act as insulating and protect the nerve fibers. Number 4. Building materials. Breakdown product of fats means a lipolytic products of fats can be utilized for building biochemical active materials like the breakdown products yield phospholipids, glycolipids as well as lipoproteins, etc. Number 5. As an essential fatty acids. Lipids supply so-called essential fatty acids which cannot be synthesized in the body and are essential in the diet. For example, they involved in normal health and growth like linoleic acid, linolenic acid and arachidonic acid. Number 6. Proper functioning in nervous system. Nervous system is particularly rich in lipids, especially sphingomyelin and glycolipids. Their types and especially essential for proper functioning that increase in neuroendocrine functions. Number 7. As a fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins, hence lipids helps in absorption of fat soluble vitamins and they act as a solvent for transport of fat soluble vitamins. Number 8. As an important constituent of many membranes. Lipids like phospholipids and glycolipids, they are the major important constituents of many membranes. Membrane bounded lipids like phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylethanolamine, phosphatidylglycerol, ether linked lipids, plasmalogens, as well as sphingomyelin, they as well as glycolipids, they are found in the cell wall of microbes as well as the membrane organelles and cell membrane. They act as a reservoir, they act as a protein anchoring, while they found in plasma membrane as well as they act as a signal transmission, while they found in plasma membrane. Number 9. Lipoproteins. As a transport in which the lipoproteins they act as a transportation and mobilization of tax, triacylglyceraldehyde, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Lipoproteins in which the proteins they act as a prosthetic group. They found in plasma. Now classification of lipids. Lipids classify into three classes: simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Number 1. Simple lipids. Simple lipid esters composed of the esters of fatty acids with various alcohols. That includes neutral fats, for example triacylglycerol. Triacylglycerol, which composed of a glycerol which is terrified with the three fatty acids that synthesize in liver and store in adipocytes, that considered the neutral fats. Its normal value 40 to 150 milligram per deciliter found in females and 50 to 150 milligrams found in males. Waxes. Waxes are the esters of fatty acids with higher molecular weight monohydroxyaliphatic alcohol. Waxes, these compounds share a no important as far as the human metabolism is concerned, but are widely separate in nature. For example, lanolin found in the lamb wool as well as in bee wax. Waxes are widely used commercially, especially in pharmaceutical companies, in cosmetic industries, as well as it also included in the manufacturing of lotions, ointments, and polishes. Now, compound lipids. Esters of fatty acids with alcohols containing, in addition to some groups like phosphate group in phospholipids, carbohydrate moieties in glycolipids, sulfate groups and sulfolipids, proteins as a prosthetic group in lipoproteins. Here we are going to discuss briefly phospholipids. They substituted fats containing, in addition to fatty acid and glycerol, are phosphoric acid residues, nitrous base and other constituents. For example, Phosphatidylcholine, another name lecithin, is one of the membrane-bounded phospholipids. Phosphatidylethanolamine, another name cephalin, is also found in membrane. Phosphatidylinositol, another membrane-bounded phospholipid. Phosphatidylserine, ether-linked lipids, plasmalogens, and sphingomyelin, etc. All are belongs to phospholipids class. Later on, in later topics, we're going to discuss phospholipids, their structures, classifications, and their biochemical functions in more details. Glycolipids. Lipids containing carbohydrate moieties are called glycolipids. They found in plasma membrane as well as in neural tissues. In glycolipids, a special alcohols called sphingosine or sphingol or nitrogenous bases in addition to fatty acid, and that does not contain phosphoric acid and glycerol. No glycerol and phosphoric acid is found in glycolipids. A special alcohol called sphingosine or sphingol is found. It's further divided into two types, cerebrosides and gangliosides. Cerebrosides, which further composed of galactocerebrosides and glucocerebrosides, depends upon the carbohydrate moieties, either galactose or glucose is found. Compounds occurring in myelin sheet of nerves fibers as well as in glycolipids. Gangliosides are the complex lipids found in brain, liver, spleen, and red blood cells. Sulfolipids. Lipids characterized by possessing the sulfate group. More than 90% of this sulfolipids are found in neural tissues and only 10% is found in kidneys. Lipoproteins, in which the protein acts as a prosthetic group. Lipoproteins they found in plasma, spherical in shape, water miscible. Uh, its general structure is composed of a non-polar components of containing non-polar components uh, found in core containing composed of glycerol and cholesterol ester which wrap with the polar components containing free cholesterol phospholipids and specific proteins called apolipoproteins. Lipoproteins we further subclassify into chylomicron, very low density VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, LDL, low density lipoproteins, and HDL, high density lipoproteins. These further classified on the basis of their densities, concentration of triglyceride concentration. It depends upon concentration of cholesterol, concentration of cholesterol esters, concentration of phospholipids, and a specific lipoproteins which they found. Lipoproteins basically they involved in transportation and mobilization of tax, triglyceride, cholesterol, and cholesterol esters. Now, dry lipids. Dry lipids obtained by hydrolysis of the above two groups, two classes, which still possesses the generalized characteristics of lipids. That includes fatty acids that occurs in natural triglycerides and as a monocarboxylic acid ranging in chain length from carbon number 4 to carbon number 24 atoms. Fatty acids may be saturated, unsaturated, cyclic, and substituted. Then dry lipids may compose of a monoglyceride, either monoacyl glycerol or diacyl glycerol after the hydrolysis of one fatty acids or two fatty acids. Obtained after hydrolysis of one fatty acid and two fatty acids yield a monoacyl glycol and diacyl glycol. Alcohols. Straight chain alcohols are water insoluble of higher molecular weight obtained by hydrolysis of waxes. Cholesterol and other steroids, including vitamin D. Alcohols containing the beta ion ring includes vitamin A and certain carotenoids, as well as glycerol. It's also one of the alcohols found in plasma. Reference books: Textbook of Medical Biochemistry by Chatterjee, 8th edition. Textbook of Medical Biochemistry by Mushtaq Ahmed, Volume 1, 8th edition. Assignment: Give the biochemical importance of lipids, how lipids are classified. That's all about biochemical importance and classification of lipids.